Okay, I'm going to show you how to make like a lighter version of this black, and I'm going to use the lid and just put a little bit of water in there into a little tray. I'm going to take the black and drip it in, and this is going to make a nice watery version so that if I wanted to use gray, this is the gray that I'm going to be able to use. Now for the brown, it's basically the same thing. I'm kind of making a lighter tan brown, so I'm putting a puddle of water and letting the darker brown paint mix in. And this works on watercolor paint for any color. If I needed pink, I would do this to red, but I'm doing this seal, so I don't need pink. I'm just showing you how to do the black and the brown. Here's how the brown looks. It's a lighter version. What I like to do is paint the first layer on, let it dry, and then get a little bit more paint and just kind of go over it so that you have a variation of dark and light tones. So letting it dry is the best way to get a darker little bit, because you can put another layer on. Okay, now for my seal, I'm going to put brown in some areas. I'm not going to paint the whole seal. I want to leave some of them white. So I know for sure I want to do brown up here around the head where the spots are. So I'm just kind of spreading that out. Kind of looks like hair now that I look at it again. But I want it to kind of be like a little shadow. Okay, I'm kind of making shadows around his little blubber, around his neck there, on his back. And when it dries, it won't look like hair. So I'm putting a little bit of more dark with a second layer on top up there on the head. Okay, and he's looking pretty good. Okay, for the whiskers, the main thing is start where the whisker starts and drag it in one quick sweep. Don't keep going over it like I did right there, because if you do that, it'll make it a little bit too fat. And that's pretty much how you do the whiskers. Have fun. Good luck. I almost forgot this very important step. I'm going to make some eye shine on the eye. So I'm just going to take a little bit of the white paint on the tip of my brush, and I'm going to decide where I want it and just dot it on there. And if you get it a little bit too big, you want to kind of be careful of that. But there we go. It's a nice little eye shine. It's kind of even on both eyes. If you mess it up, you know, it's really hard to go back and fix. So watch what you're doing, get it carefully on there. And I use the tip of my brush. Good luck.